How to fix Discord high memory usage. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings on your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps. Here on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, now go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, then click OK, and now go back and click on force stop and click OK. Don't forget, the last thing is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you another